Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to connect Shopify to TikTok Shop. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Shopify Help Center where I found a guide that explained everything about setting up TikTok Shop. On this page, you're gonna find the requirements and setting up TikTok Shop. The requirements: to use TikTok Shop, your store needs to meet the following requirements. Your store needs to be located in the United States and have a verifiable address in your location settings. You need to have an online store and a TikTok for Business account. You need to display a return policy page on your TikTok store. If you want to learn more about setting up your return rules and return policy, you should click on this link. Your products need to meet TikTok's product guideline. Now, setting up TikTok Shop. If you meet the requirements to use TikTok Shop, then you can install the TikTok sales channel and set up TikTok Shop in your Shopify admin. From your Shopify admin, click Settings and then click on Apps and Sales Channel. Then, from the Apps and Sales Channel pages, click Shopify App Store. If applicable, then log in to continue the Shopify App Store. From the Shopify App Store, search for TikTok to learn more about the sales channels. Click Add Channel on the Setup TikTok Shop page. In the TikTok Shop section, click Connect. In the Sign Up dialog, do either of the following. If you already have a TikTok for Business account, then click Log In. To register as a merchant on TikTok, fill in the phone number, email, and password fields, and then click Register as Merchant. On the Connect to Shopify dialog, review the TikTok Shop Merchant's terms of services and then click Connect. In the Shop Information section, click Verify to verify your shop information. In the Upload Documents dialog, complete the required fields and then click Next. And lastly, click Finish Setup. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.